Hello all, in this video we are going to see how to visualize a slope graph. Okay, so here is our data. It's a simple data. I have a major and the major enrollment in fall 2010 and in fall 2020. Okay, I make up some numbers here to see that. So now if it is like a single digit number, you would be able to see it very easily whether the enrollment has been increased or decreased. If you have multiple digits, so it would be a little harder to find out. So that's why we go and visualize a slope graph. It doesn't show only the change over time, but also it will help you to know the increase or decrease in the enrollment or whatever the data that you take. For that, select your data. In the insert, you have to insert a multi-line, a 2D line variable, okay, with dots, okay, with line markers. And now you got this one here, so which shows the major, and you have the fall 2010 and fall 2020 in the colors, and the enrollment here, so this has kind of fluctuations, so but we don't want to see this. However, we want to see how it has been, whether increased or decreased from fall 2010 to fall 2020. For that, we need to do a slope graph, and it is very simple to do that. We have to transpose our axis. We have to switch our axis. Okay, so switch row or column here. Okay, so if you notice here under the data, you could switch row or column, and that would give you a slope graph. Okay, as you know, you could change the title, and in order to find out this, you could remove the grid lines if you want. For that, you have to click plus and uncheck the grid lines. And now you can put the data labels as well. Okay, so and wherever you want to put the data labels, you could put. So I want to put a little bit below. So this is 200, 175 that talks about physics. And you have more options here. You could click more options, go to the label options at the last, and then look at the label options. So, and you have to look at check the series name here. Okay, if you notice, we get only for one slope. Okay, so only for one slope, so that is 324 to 250, which is very slight decrease compared to other things, and this is for physics. And if you want to do for another one, you have to select that and you have to do that. Okay, so same thing, go to data labels, more options, under more options, label options, again select the series name. Okay, and if you want, you could move this because this is a little bit confusing. This would belongs to this here, and this would belongs to this here. Okay, so that way biology is having also declining. So which has inclining? Here our yellow color chemistry majors are inclining. Okay, so again, this is some makeup data that I chose. So this way you would be able to draw a slope graph. Thank you for watching.